You have heard about affiliate marketing, but do you know there are only two ways through which affiliate marketers get paid? And do you know there are only two types of affiliate products that you can promote? Hi, I'm Shubhamjeet, and in this video, in the 8th over of the Affiliate Marketing T20 series, I will tell you just that. And before jumping in, I'd request you to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you do not miss on any updates from me. Okay, so let's jump in. Perfect. So in the 8th over, we'll cover two things: types of affiliate products and how affiliate marketers make money. Okay. So as I said, there are only two types of affiliate products. The first type of product is a physical product. Physical products include books, laptops, mobiles, gaming consoles, furniture, sports equipment, health supplements, perfumes like these, headphones, and so on. Okay. Now, the second type of affiliate products are digital products. Digital products include ebooks, software, online courses, webinar platforms, email marketing platforms, website or page builders, funnel builders, and so on. I'd suggest if you start affiliate marketing, start with digital products, because a great thing about digital products is almost every digital products gives you a 7 to 14 day free trial. You can test the product yourself, you can experiment with it, you can experiment with several use cases and then create content. And when you create content based on your experience, it will be so valuable. You cannot imagine how valuable it will be and how impactful it will be to your audience. Okay. And digital products, why? Again, because digital products will give you a commission of up to 90%. Okay, there are a few digital products, if you promote them, you'll make a commission of 90%. Okay, and I have come across very rarely, but there are products that will pay you 100% commissions as well. Okay, but again, they are very rare and vendors do it only to increase their sales, not to make money from it. Okay, so if you are starting affiliate marketing, I'd suggest you start with digital products, and inside my community I will give a list of, I think, 2000 plus niches through which you can select digital products, and I will walk you through a list of millions of affiliate products inside my community. Okay, so if you want to enroll, I've placed the link in the description box, and also in the first comment I've pinned the comment, so you can click the link, enroll now and start learning right away. Okay, so those were the types of affiliate products. Now I want to tell you how affiliate marketers make money. And as I said, there are only two methods through which affiliate marketers earn. The first way is one-time commissions. By one-time commissions, I mean you sell once, you earn once. Okay, so let's say you are promoting a laptop. Okay, people do not buy laptops every month, right? So you sell once, you make money once. If let's say you are earning a commission of 10,000 for each sale of a laptop, and your goal is to make 1 lakh per month, so you have to sell 10 laptops every month to make 1 lakh rupees on a consistent basis. Okay. On the other hand, the second types of commissions are recurring commissions. Recurring commissions, in recurring commissions, you have to sell once and earn repeatedly. I'll give you an example of Netflix. You buy Netflix just once, but you renew your subscription over and over. Okay, so if you can get a product with recurring commission, you can sell once, and until your customer renews their subscription, you will make a commission. Okay, inside my community, I share a list of millions of products where you will sell once and earn repeatedly. Okay, so these are the two ways through which affiliate marketers make money. Number one, one-time commissions where you sell once and earn once. Then number two, recurring commissions where you sell once and earn repeatedly. So that's about this video, and if you're watching this video until now, I want to ask you a question. The question is, do you want to make 1 lakh rupees per month from affiliate marketing? Think about it. If yes, do you want to sell once and earn repeatedly? I shared about recurring commissions. You have to sell once, and until your customer renews, you will make money. Do you want products like that? Do you want to promote products where you sell just once, effort is just once, and until they renew, you will make commissions? If that's you, I want to welcome you to my community. and you can join my community by clicking the link in the description. I've also pinned it in the comments. It will be the first comment. Click the link, enroll now, and you'll start learning right away. So that's about this video. In this video, I shared two types of products that you can promote and two ways through which affiliate marketers make money. So that's about this video. That's about over number 8 of the affiliate marketing T20 series. If you have been enjoying the affiliate marketing T20 series, please share your takeaway in the comments box and give this video a thumbs up. And I'd request you to share this video with someone who needs help understanding affiliate marketing. So that's about this video. If this video provided you with value, please give it a thumbs up and do share your takeaway in the comments box. So that's about this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.